Good morning, dear students. Today, in this new year, I wish you a happy new year, and we can start our previous lesson, isn't it? Yes. In last episode, what we discussing? We discussing the rational numbers exercise 9.1, isn't it? Yes. That is, in this year, we starting with our question. That is, first question is seventh question. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. In the simplest form. That is, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. That is exercise 9.1, page number 182. That is, seventh question is rewrite the rational numbers in the simplest form. That is, first one is negative 8 by 6. Negative 8 by 6. Negative 8 by 6. That is, we want to make it in standard form or simplest form. Is it? Yes. That is, here we can find the HCF, highest common factor. What is the highest common factor of 8 and 6? What is the highest common factor of 8 and 6? That is, 2 is the highest common factor. That is, 8 by 2 we get 4 and 6 by 2 we get 3. That is, here is negative 8, so we get negative 4. That is, answer is negative 4 by 3. Negative 4 by 3. This is the answer. And second one is 25 by 45. 25 by 45. That is, by 45. That is, what is the answer? 25 by 45. 25 and 45. What is the highest common factor? That is, HCF is 5. So we can write it as 25 divided by 5 and 45 divided by 5. That is, we get 5 by 9. 5 by 9. This is the simplest form. 5 by 9 is the simplest form. And third one is, what is third one? Third one is negative 44 divided by 72. Negative 44 divided by 72. That is, when we looking this, we get 4 is the highest common factor. So we can write it as, what is, we can write it as negative 44 divided by 4 divided by 72 divided by 4. Is it? Yes, that is, 4 is the highest common factor. That is, we can write it as 44 divided by 4 means negative 11 by 72 divided by 4. What is? What we get? We get 18. That is, answer is negative 11 by 18. That is, when we simplify negative 44 divided by 72, or when we rewrite the negative 44 divided by 72, we get negative 11 by 18. Negative 11 by 18. Is it? Yes. And next one is, what is next one? Negative 8 divided by 10. Last one is negative 8 divided by 10. Negative 8 divided by 10. What is the HCF, highest common factor? Here is HCF is 2. So we can write it as negative 8 divided by 2 by 10 divided by 2. That is, we get what is negative 4 by 5. Answer is negative 4 by 5. Answer is negative 4 by 5. And next question is fill in the boxes with the correct symbol of greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than and equal. That is what is the matter? What is the question? First one is negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Eighth question. Negative 5 by 7 and 3 by 2 by 3. That is, when we are looking these two rational numbers, we can understand this is a negative rational number and this is a positive rational number. That is, this is suitable. Negative 5 by 7 less than 2 by 3. That is, big one is 2 by 3. That is, this one is negative rational number. Negative rational number. So the symbol is less than. And next one is negative 4 by 5 and negative 5 by 7. Negative 4 by 5 and negative 5 by 7. That is, what is the answer? That is, when we looking these rational numbers, these are two rational numbers are negative rational numbers. So we want to make it in a same denominator. This is denominator and this is numerator. That is, here is 5 and here is 7. So we take LCM, then we get LCM as 35. So we can LCM is 35, 7 and 5, we get LCM is 35. That is, here we negative 4 into 7 divided by 5 into 7. Negative 5 into 5, negative 5 into 5 divided by 7 into 5. That is, here we get negative 28 divided by 35, and here is we get negative 25 divided by 35. Which one is greater? Negative 28 or negative 25? That is negative 25. That is, we get here, we can say that negative 4 by 5 less than negative 5 by 7. Negative 4 by 5 less than negative 5 by 7. Is it? Yes. Then, and following like this, you can make the or fill in the blanks. That is, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh are for your homework. And for easily, that is the seventh question is, what is our seventh question? 0. 0, negative 7 by 6. 0 is a rational number and negative 7 by 6 is a negative rational number. So we can write like this: 0 greater than negative 7 by 6. This is the answer. All of these are for your homework. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth are for your homework. And next one is which is the greater and age of the following? Which is the greater and age of the following? That is, first one is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. Is it? Yes. That is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. That is, here when we looking these two rational numbers, these are two positive rational numbers, then we want to make the denominator as same. Then we can take the LCM, then we get LCM as 6. That is, we get 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 and 5 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. That is, here we get 4 by 6 and 15 by 6. That is, which one is greater, 4 or 15? That is, this one is greater. That is 2 by 3 less than 5 by 2. 2 by 3 less than 5 by 2. And next one is, second one is negative 5 by 6 and negative 4 by 3. Ninth question, second one is negative 5 by 6 and negative 4 by 3. That is, we get here is LCM as 6, so negative 5 by 6 and negative 4 into 2 divided by 3 into 2. Negative 5 by 6 and negative 8 by 6. That is, we get as negative 5 is greater, so we can make it as like this. Negative 5 by 6 greater than negative 4 by 3. Negative 5 by 6 greater than negative 4 by 3. And next question is, third one is negative 3 by 4 and negative 3 by 4 and next one is 2 by negative 3. That is, here we take the LCM as what is the LCM? Which one is LCM? We get LCM as 12. That is negative 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. We can write 2 by negative 3 as negative 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. That is negative 9 divided by 12 and negative 8 divided by 12. That is, negative 8 is greater, so we can say that negative 3 by 4 less than 2 by negative 3. Negative 3 by 4, negative 3 by 4 less than 2 by negative 3. Okay, and next one is, fourth one is negative 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Negative 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. That is, here is clearly negative 1 and 1 is greater, so we can say that negative 1 by 4 less than 1 by 4, negative 1 by 4 less than 1 by 4. And fifth one is for your homework. And 10th question is, write the following rational numbers in ascending order. We want to write the rational numbers in ascending order. First one is negative 3 by 5, negative 2 by 5, negative 1 by 5. That is, we want to write it in an ascending order. That is, in our question, when we seeing the question, the ascending order is also given. That is, negative 3 less than negative 2 less than negative 1. Here the denominators are same, so the ascending order of first one is negative 3 by 5, negative 2 by 5 and negative 1 by 5. That is, we can say, write it as negative 3 by 5, less than negative 2 by 5 less than negative 1 by 5. That is the answer. And second question is, what is second question? Negative 1 by 3 negative 1 by 3 and next one is negative 2 by 9 and negative 4 by 3. Negative 1 by 3, negative 2 by 9, negative 4 by 3. That is, here the denominators are different, so we want to take denominators in same. So we take the LCM as 9, then we get negative 1 into 3. 3 by 3 into 3 and negative 2 by 9 and negative 4 into 3. Why we multiplied 3? That is, when we multiplied 3 into 3 we get 9. That is our LCM is we get. So when we take a operation in denominator, the same operation is we take in numerator. That is 3 into 3. That is we get negative 3 by 9, negative 2 by 9 and negative 12 by 9. That is the ascending order is negative 12 by 9, negative 3 by 9, negative 2 by 9. That means negative 4 by 3, negative 1 by 3 and negative 2 by 9. Negative 2 by 9. This is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. That is negative 4 by 3 less than negative 1 by 3 less than negative 2 by 9. Negative 2 by 9. And next is for your homework. Third part is for your homework. And next is we are going to discuss about operations. We know the mathematics operations. What are the operations? What are the operations in maths? Anyone can say the answer? What are the operations in maths? That is, operations are addition. Yes, good, addition. Next, subtraction. Yes, and multiplication and division. These are the basic operations in mathematics. So first we study the addition of same denominators rational numbers. The addition of rational numbers. That is, we already know that the additions, and we are already also know that the number line here is 0. This is, we take it as 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5 and this is 3 by 5 and this is 4 by 5 and this is 5 by 5. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, we get when we add. That is, we want to find 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. What is the answer? That is, in a number line, addition is in first chapter already we discussing. In a number line, when we adding, it goes to right side. It moves to right side. That is, here we take the two positive rational numbers. When we are adding two positive rational numbers, then the result is get an right side of the number line. That is, right side means right of 0 and this side is left of 0, or left side and this is right side. And when we add 2 by 5, what we get? We get 1 by 5 is here and 2 by 5 is here. That is, when we are adding, we get the answer is 3 by 5. That is, here is also we know that here is same denominators, that is 1 plus 2, we get 3, that is That is, this is 1 by 5 and this is 1 by 5. That is, distance is this one. Distance of 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. And here is also 1 by 5 distance. We want to find 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. That is, here is 1 by 5 and here is also 1 by 5. So we get 3 by 5 as answer. For another example, we want to find what? We want to find this is 6 by 5. We want to find 6 by 5 plus negative 2 by 5. 6 by 5 plus negative 2 by 5. What is the answer? The answer is we get 4 by 5. We get answer as 4 by 5. That is 6 by 5 plus negative 2 by 5. Negative 2 by 5 is a negative rational number. So we can say that 6 by 5 plus negative 2 by 5, that is, we get answer as 4 by 5. Answer as 4 by 5. Any doubt? That is, here also we can say that 6 minus 2 whole divided by 5, we get 4 by 5. Answer, that is, it's moved to left side. When we adding a positive rational number and a negative rational number, we get or result is moving to left side. When we adding two rational numbers, positive rational numbers, the result is moving to right side. Okay, is it clear? That is, this is the process of addition of rational numbers in number line, and there is also another example in your textbook. Just read, and we are going to discuss our priorities. That is, first one is negative 13 by 7 plus 6 by 7. We want to find negative 13 by 7 plus 6 by 7. When we see these two rational numbers, that is, the denominators are same, so we can say write it as negative 13 plus 6 divided by 7. That is, we get our answer as negative 7 by 7. Negative 7 by 7. Answer is negative 1. That is, we get negative 1. That is, when we simplify or standard form, negative 7 by 7 is negative 1. Answer is negative 1. And next one is 19 by 5 plus 19 by 5 plus 19 by 5 plus negative 7 by 5. 19 by 5 plus negative 7 by 5. That is, we get answer as 19 plus negative 7 all divided by 5. That is, denominators are, so we can write like this. That is, we get 12 by 5. 12 by 5. When we adding negative 19 and negative 7, we get 12. We get 12. That is, answer is 12 by 5. And next is, we are going to discuss about the denominators are different. When we adding two rational numbers, it have different denominators. Which way we find? We find we take the LCM. That is, for example, we want to find negative 7 by 5 plus negative 2 by 5. sorry, negative 2 by 3. What is the answer? The answer is, we get, here we take the LCM, least common multiple of denominators. That is 5, 3. That is, we get the common factor as 1, 5, 3. That is, LCM is 1 into 5 into 3, we get 15. 1 into 5 into 3, we get 15. That is, we get the answer as LCM is 15. So, we want to convert the denominator into LCM. That is, here is 5. We want to make it as 15. So, 5 into 3. We take 5 into 3 upon negative 7 into 3. Plus, here is 3. So, we want to convert the denominator into LCM. Then we get 3 into 5 and negative 2 by 2 into 5. That is, here we get negative 21 by 15 plus negative 10 by 15. Negative 21 divided by 15 plus negative 10 by 15. That is, we get answer as negative 21 plus negative 10 divided by 15. Answer is negative 31 divided by 50. Answer is negative 31 divided by 50. This is the answer. This is the answer. And this is the method for finding the or adding rational numbers with have different denominators. First we take the LCM and then we convert the denominators into LCM and then we add denominators. Okay. And next one is, for another example, negative 4 by 7 plus negative 4 by 7. Negative 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Answer is negative 4 plus 4 by 7. That is, we get 0 by 7. That is, answer is 0. Answer is 0. 0 by 7, 0. And for another, try this. There is in your page number 185. First one is negative 3 by 7. Negative 3 by 7 plus negative 3 by 7 plus 2 by 3. That is, the answer is, what is the answer? Answer is, here we take, when we see these rational numbers, that is, the rational numbers denominators are different. So, we take the LCM, that is, here we get 7 and 3. Common factor is 1, 7, 3. LCM is 1 into 7 into 3, we get 21. That is, we make the denominators in LCM. That is 7 into 3 upon negative 3 into 3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 into 7. That is, we get, what is the answer? We get the answer is negative 9 by 21 plus 14 by 21. Answer is, what is the answer? Answer is negative 9 plus 14 by 21. That is, we get, what is we get when we adding these two? That is, we get 5 by 21. Is it? Yes, 5 by 21. That is the answer. That is the answer. And next one is, second try this is for your homework. That is, question is negative 5 by 6 plus negative 3 by 11. So that is for your homework. and I wish you a good day. Bye.